Good morning from Gopalpur. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Day 3, fresh new day, fresh new start. Hello and everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the breakfast. We have puri, bread omelette, aloo paratha, veg sandwich and this is an aloo curry. So thank you. आपने मुझे 2 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा दिया बिकॉज मैं बहुत टायर्ड था, थोड़ा लेट भी आया. Thank you. So thanks to these guys. They gave me a couple of hours extension. I'm gonna head to the beach right now. When you see the beach, what is the first thing that you do? First thing that you do is just jump onto the beach, right? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. See the beach, see the view. This is beautiful. This is on the ground floor. The checkout time is usually 11 a.m. to 9 a.m. So most of the hotels here seems to follow the same policy. So when you plan for a trip to Gopalpur, do check timings. This is the hotel. It's right bang on the beach. To the left you can see that's a lighthouse. The view is just simply beautiful. So I was extremely tired, but the moment I stepped my feet on these waters, it is relaxing. It is very relaxing. Alright, I guess I need to pack my bags and head out next to complete my ride. Time to hit the road again. Jai Jagannath. Bye. Thank you. Bye. So yeah, let's begin the journey. So right now the plan is to head to home, Baripada, which is 400 some kilometer from here. I'm kind of feeling a little bit better compared to yesterday, but yeah, this finger pain is pretty much more compared to any other pain. Hey, look at that view. Wow, that's beautiful, isn't it? So I left Chilika exactly at 12:05. So I would rate that hotel 4 out of 5. The location is absolutely fantastic. Location is 5 out of 5. The breakfast was super good. I would rate 4.5 out of 5. So the room is pretty old. So the quality of the room, I guess it must be improved because it looks very outdated. 2.5 out of 5. But the hospitality and the interaction level with them was excellent. On the way to Bhubaneswar now, it will take probably 4 hours to reach Bhubaneswar. We'll be passing the Eastern Ghat section. see how I stretch my legs when I ride? I hope you can see. That's how I do. I just put it on the same slider. Yeah, I just put my legs there for a minute or so. That's the what is it? Look at that, man. I'm gonna show you. See, seeing that? Wow, mountain, sea, incredible, Odisha. Well, I think we crossed the biggest saltwater lake. That's Chilika. Comfortably cruising at 90 to 100. See, that's the beauty of this Himalayan bike. You can go aggressive, you can cruise. It's a perfect bike. Wait. I'm gonna have something. Take a small break. ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଗୋଆରୁ ଆସିଲେ? ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଗୋଆରେ ଅଛି ଫାର୍ମାସିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆର୍ମିରେ ହେଇଛି ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ବି ଜୁନରେ ହେବି ଫେର ମୋତେ ସେଠି ଜବ୍ ମିଳିଗଲାନି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଅଏଲରେ।
ଆରେ ବାଃ ବଢ଼ିଆ।
ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲି ଘର ସେଠି ମୁଁ କିଣି ଦେଇଛି ଗୋଆରେ।
ଗୋଆରେ ଘର ଫର କିଣି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ବଢ଼ିଆ ତ।
ଏଠି ଘର ମୋର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ।
ହଁ
ଘର ନେଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ଟା ହେଉଛି ନାଚୁର।
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ ସେଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ବାଙ୍ଗଲୋର?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ବାଙ୍ଗଲୋରରେ ମୁଁ ଜବ୍ କରେ। ହଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ହଁ yeah, took a small short break as usual, 15 minutes break. It's kind of 15 to 20 minutes. So Bhubaneswar is only 37 kilometers now. Approximately it will take 50 minutes. Well, the road conditions are pretty good enough to ride at 80, 90, very comfortable. Thus I am experiencing pain on my right fingers and right hand, so I removed my gloves. So I'm going to take couple of days complete rest and then I'm going to start exploring because I need rest. I need my body to heal completely. I mean 2 days rest should be enough. Ride ପାଇଁ ଏବେ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ଏବେ हाँ Bangalore. I finally got a fist bump as well. He asked me whether I have a YouTube channel or not. I said no, I haven't launched my channel yet. 3 days continuous ride and I got four fist bumps. I'm happy. Yeah. Fixing this right now because I had a small minor fall. ଟିକେ ତଳକୁ ରହିବ ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ତଳକୁ ରହିବ ଏଇଟା ଯେମିତି ଅଛି ସେମିତି କରିଦିଅ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି କେତେ ହେଲା କେତେ ଦେବି କେତେ ଦେବି କେତେ ଦେବି ଚାଲିଲି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ so yeah, nothing has happened to me. I was just trying to climb that. Then there were those vehicles coming at very high speed. So of course, if I would have climbed, maybe they would have probably collided, or they would have gone to some other. They would have changed their lanes, which felt a little bit of risky for me. So I kind of slowed down. And when you're climbing something and you slow down, obviously you lose the balance. So, it just tilted towards left and it fell down. And then the people came and they lifted the bike, they helped me. I didn't record my fall, otherwise it would have been very funny, very hilarious. So this is Bhubaneswar for you. I reached Bhubaneswar. It's a great feeling. So I traveled all the way from the capital of Karnataka to the capital of Odisha. Journey has been fantastic. throughout, but you know what, the journey, at the end of the day, what you have, that is what it matters. So at the end of the day, I have some incredible memories, some great conversation with the new people. People helped me when I fell on the bike, when I fell from the bike. People helping another person is a very great thing, and I think we all should help each other. So humanity still exists, and there are a lot of good people out there. World is not only with negative people, there are a lot of good people. Oh, look at that, there's a Christmas caps, Christmas dress, nice. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Na 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 na.
ये अटल टनल ले छाड़ जीवो
एक्चुअली 2022 रे मुझे भी मनाली वगैरह. ओके बाय बाय
लेफ्ट ड्राइव
बाय गुड्डू.
चल जा आगा दिखाओ.
Just met my big brother, my younger brother, cousins. Met them after a good long, one year. After 1 year, so felt good. It was lovely to see them doing great. Kind of. So let's go to Baripada right now. That is my home. So home, I am coming. They both were kind of surprised to see me traveling by bike all the way down from Bangalore. They were like totally surprised, totally blown away, because none of my friends, none of my relatives, nobody from in my entire generation, nobody has ever traveled by bike for such a long distance. So nobody is a biker in my family. I think I am the first one. I guess the approximate time of reaching Baripada will be kind of 11 or something. Oh, no, not 11, it will be like 12, because it's already 7:15. So Baripada is 240 kilometers from here. I didn't switch on the map because I don't need it. I have been on this road countless times, but on bike this is my first time. So Baripada is in the northeastern part of the state, in district Mayurbhanj. That's my hometown. I was born and brought up there. Complete ride from Bangalore to Odisha will be completed today, and today is day 3. So I covered 1700 kilometers in 3 days. That's an achievement for me. Okay, I guess too much traffic right now. I hope it doesn't exhaust me by the time I reach home. This is Cuttack. So welcome to Cuttack. We are on the top of Mahanadi Bridge now. The bridge length is 1 kilometer. It's the biggest river in Odisha. Holy crap! Look at the traffic, man. At this point of time, these road constructions are going on, and this is crazy. The roads are very, it's kind of exhaustive totally. So I was riding at first gear from all the way down from there till here. Not here, it's like very long. It's like bumper to bumper traffic, very, very slow. Lot of trucks, bus. The way people are riding is insane. They are riding very recklessly. I think, yeah, this is Bhadrak. We just crossed Bhadrak. Roads are good now. Hopefully it continues to be good. It will be good for me. These 3 days I have not listened to any songs. आज ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा. आओ तुमको पेरिस की एक रंगीन सामने देखो 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 देखो. An evening in Paris. Out of 250 kilometers from Bhubaneswar to Baripada, I think the 200 kilometers you're going to face these kind of roads. The time is 11:40, still 113 kilometers to go. As yeah, I mean the distance is not so high, but the road conditions, I mean there are a lot of diversions, lot of constructions going on, and lot of traffic as well. Yeah, this is by far the worst road I have faced so far in my entire journey. From 30 minutes it's been very cold. I think the temperature is gonna drop more. So I just want to reach my destination. It's 2 hours 21 minutes it's showing. That's crazy for just 100 kilometers. See, railway speed breaker and then the diversion. Okay, and your speed drops to 10. This has been happening from past how many kilometers? From past 150 kilometers or approximately like that. Today's ride to Baripada is gruesome because of this only. Otherwise it was very smooth. So had a beautiful dinner just now. In the sense it's a good dinner. The road from Baleswar to Baripada is extremely good. I think it's one of the best road. Let's get started. Okay, so last 20 kilometers stretch. So beautiful road. I mean probably in daytime you can cruise easily at 110, 120. On the Royal Enfield Himalayan you can easily cruise at 120 even on this road. Ultra smooth, super smooth. I saw the temperature is right now 14 degrees Celsius. So you can just think how much cold it is. Alright, so me and my Royal Enfield Himalayan are about to enter my hometown. That's the territory of Baripada. It starts from here, right here, right after the railway gate, and we entered Baripada. So welcome to Baripada. This is my hometown. Oh man, finally I did it. Signing off. You guys take care, have fun. If you have not liked the video, please do like the video, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Alright, take care. I'll see you in another vlog where I explore different parts of Odisha. Bye, and I'll catch you guys later.